Hello traders and welcome again to my 14th trade. So I had bought here and I had a lot of drawdown here, and then we saw the price start to climb up, and I eventually got out here because of this trend line that I had drawn. As you can see right here, this tail looked like it touched the trend line, so I ended up getting out at a really bad price. I'm really not proud of my trading today. I got out around here, around 266. So I bought at 264.65 and I got out at 265.95. And as a result, as you can see right here with my balance, I lost 10 cents this trade. So I think this was probably my worst trade I've ever made. Even though I only lost 10 cents here, the buy was just not a good buy at all. And I'm going to go into reasons of why this was a bad buy, what I can do in the future, and what you can do in the future to buy at a better price. So if we look at the hourly, we can see that I had bought right below the 50% retracement. As you can see here, this is the 50% retracement at 267.49. I had bought at 264, and I thought that this would hold, but in reality, price had actually just gone past this 50% level and not respected it. Went up a bit, and then went back down to the 61.8% retracement. And as you can see here, this became the support level at the 254, as the lowest price this ever got to was 252.6, which is basically the 61.8% retracement. So what I should have done this trade is not panic buying right here because I want to get on in this market, but rather to wait till the 61.8 retracement, see these tails form, then buy here, here, or even be very risky and just buy one of these tails. That would have been a very good trade. And then I would have held this trade to here-ish, or I would have just let the trade run. And it's at 287 right now. So I do think that Ethereum looks pretty bullish right now, regardless of the fact of my not so good trade. I think that the flag formation that I had pointed out in a previous video called Ethereum Price Prediction, July 1st, I did say that this looks like a flag formation and that the price will either come down to the 50% retracement or the 61.8% retracement and then rebound just like it just did. I think that if you want to buy Ethereum, I would recommend either price pulling back to part of this trend line or price pulling back to one of the resistance levels. So this was a resistance level right here at around 282. This was another resistance level you could buy at around 273. So if you want to buy, you probably want to buy around here, or just if you believe price will continue going down, then buy there too. But on my trade, I think that I made a major mistake at panic selling and panic buying here, and that I know that in the future I will be making much better trades. But it's good that I know the mistake I made. So yeah, that's going to be it for the 14th trade, and I'm hoping that the 15th trade of Ethereum or Bitcoin will grant great profits. Thanks for watching.